Welcome back, everybody. It's JP. Just kind of wanted to talk about this guy here. His name is Yort. He's one of the bosses that was actually cut from the original release that they have replaced into this game. Just kind of a little bit of a strategy, because this guy kicked my ass the first few times until I figured it out. What you want to do is stay up close to him, and you want to strafe around and be ready to hit your roll button whenever he brings his tail near you. And as long as you stay as close as you can, he won't smack you off of these platforms. And that kind of goes for like the projectiles flying around in the air. As long as you mind your distance from him while you're fighting those, you should be fine. He's really not that hard. It's just the learning curve at first because it's something that you never saw in the first game. But just stay close and you should be fine. Thank you for watching. Also, in case you are unaware, on this very channel I have reviews of the original game and the sequel. You can find links in the description and the pinned comment below.
Oh, yeah. Great.